Hi everyone, it's Mwaka here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to send money using Wise. A friend of mine asked me to help him send money like to Europe for a university application, and I was like, why not make a video about it? Because it has been almost 3 years ever since I made a video about Wise, like the Wise money transfer service. So today I'm going to be showing you how to send money using Wise, and I hope this video will be able to help you like make your own money transfers on Wise. So to send money with Wise, first of all, you have to make sure that you create your Wise account and verify it. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to send money almost anywhere, like using the Wise platform. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In order to get started, all what you need to do is to log in into your Wise account. And once you have logged into your Wise account, you just need to come where it says send money over here under your balance. Over here, you just need to come and press on add recipient. And once you add that recipient, in the future, you won't need to add them again. You won't need to add their bank account details again. All what you need to do is to come and press in search and search for their name. And they will appear here and you select them. Without entering any details, you'll be able to send money to them. But since you're sending money, I assume that you're sending money for the first time, you'll come and press on add recipient. Over here, you just need to select the currency of the country of your recipient. So let's say if you're sending money to Kenya, you just come and enter Kenya here. So to Kenya, you can either send euros, Kenyan shilling, or USD dollars. So let's say we select Kenyan shillings. Over here, if the recipient already has got a Wise account, you need to select the first option. You'll be able to send money to them simply using their email address. You don't need any of their details. But we assume that the person you're sending money to doesn't have a Wise account, so you're going to be pressing on enter bank account details. Over here, you have two options. Like Wise gives you a lot of options. So if you don't know their bank account number or their mobile money wallet, all what you need to do is to enter their email address in here, and then Wise is going to send them an email requesting them to submit their bank account details. That way you'll be able to make the transfer without even getting their bank account details. But if you know their account number, then you just need to come and select on it. I know their bank account details. So to Kenya, you can either send money directly to M-Pesa account or to a local bank account. If it's to a local bank account, then you just need to enter their full name, bank name, and their account number. Press confirm, you'll be able to continue. If it is M-Pesa, then you'll be able to enter their full name and their mobile phone number. Then you'll be able to continue with the transaction. So sending money on Wise, you can either send money directly to a bank account or mobile wallets, like e-wallets, mobile money, something like that. Like there are just so many options. It differs from country to country. You just need to come and check. So I will go back and make a live transfer so that you'll be able to see how to go about it. I'm sending money to Poland, so I'll say Poland. So to Poland, I can either send money in euros, British pound, Polish zloty, or USD. So I will choose euro. Then I need to enter the bank account details. Okay, it's an institution, so it will be someone else. So I just need to enter the full name in here. So the name of the university is Poznań University of Life Sciences. You can use these very same steps like sending money to an individual. It doesn't have to be an institution. You can send money to your friend or family. The process is all the same. You enter their full name and then enter their bank account number. In our case, we are using an IBAN. So after entering these details, all what you need to do is come and press on confirm. Then in here, you need to enter the amount. How much money do you want to send? So I'll be sending 2,852 to receive 65 euro like on the euro bank account. Okay, I've entered the amount. Then you just need to come and press on confirm. You'll be able to see the fees down in here, how much you'll be charged, and this fee is included like within the amount. And another good thing about Wise is that they use the current exchange rate. You can see the exchange rate over here. If you are to check on Google, you say 1 euro to Turkish lira, how much is it? So you can see like 1 euro is 41.29. When you check the Wise exchange rate, the current exchange rate is 41.29. With most remittance companies, you find like maybe it is 42, 43. And as a result, you'll be sending more money than what you are supposed to send. That's why I recommend using Wise to make money transfers. So after you've entered the amount, all what you need to do then is to come and press on continue. Then over here you just need to review the details of the transfer you're about to make and make a confirmation if everything is okay. And you need to enter the reference code in here if a reference code is required, but if you are making a person transfer, you don't even need to enter it. But since I'm sending money to an institution for a university application fee, I have to enter reference code so that the university can know that this money is meant for this person. And you can see like that's the amount, this is the money that is going to be received on the other end. That's the bank account, all the details are accurate. So, and the transaction will be completed within 25 minutes. Like, it's very fast, it's very quick. I totally recommend it. Go and create your account if you are looking for a money transfer service that is reliable and cheap. And I will leave a link for you in the description below. And I think if you use that link, like, your first money transfer on Wise is going to be absolutely for free. So I will go ahead and complete this transfer. Then here, depending on the country where you are, in some countries you'll be able to pay for this transaction using your MasterCard or Visa card. Let's say if you're in the USA, most European countries, you'll be able to pay for the transaction using your bank cards. Here in Turkey, there's only one option, so I have to pay using a bank transfer. So I'll just come and press on continue. Then in here, I just need to copy these details. So that is the account number, the IBAN, where I need to send money to, the name of the payee, the amount that I need to send, and also a reference code. Always make sure that if you are paying for the transaction using a bank transfer, always make sure that you add this reference code. That is the only way Wise is going to tell that this money is coming from this person, and it will be credited to your account and the transfer will be processed. So I will go ahead and make a transfer of 2,832 Turkish lira to this bank account. And once I've made that transfer, Wise will start processing this transaction, and it will only take about 25 minutes for it to be completed. So I will get back to you in about 30 minutes, like once the transaction is done. It has been about 40 minutes and I've received an email that money has been sent already. So let me go ahead and show you. Like, Wise is very quick to use. So you can see over here 65.17 has been sent. And when I come to my Wise account, when you scroll down under transactions, you can see that there is a transaction that has just been made. Let me just press on it so that I can show you. And over here you can see that we made the transaction at 0451, and by 5:30 the money was delivered already. So you have seen that sending money on Wise is very convenient, is very easy and very fast. And I just hope this video has been helpful to you. I hope it has. And if it has, please do give this video a thumbs up. It will help this video reach many more people. It will just help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, if you like videos like this one, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video.